Hey everyone, welcome back to Cranberry TV. It's your girl Cranberry here, and I'm so excited to have you click on this video. As many of you may know, besides being a mom and a vlogger, I recently embarked on a new journey as a virtual assistant coach and also run my own virtual assistant agency called Cranberry Consulting. Today, I want to share with you some valuable tips on how to get started as a virtual assistant. So if you are ready to dive into this amazing opportunity, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring that notification bell so you don't miss any of our future content, because I plan on making this a series. Yay! All right, let's get started. As you know, I am passionate about helping people, and I have worked in the remote space for more than 12 years now. I don't think I'm cut out for the 9 to 5. So this is why I launched Cranberry Consulting. It's not just a virtual assistant agency, but also a coaching platform to empower you to excel in this field. So before we move further, I invite you all to like and follow our Facebook page, that is Cranberry Consulting. I will leave the link down in the description below so that you guys can go and like and follow, because that's where we share valuable insights, tips and tricks to help you thrive as a virtual assistant. But that's not all. We've also got an amazing community called the Cranberry Tribe. So I would love you guys to be a part of my tribe if you are interested in working remotely. This is where we share even more free content to support and guide aspiring virtual assistants. So joining this community will give you access to exclusive webinars, resources, and a supportive network of like-minded individuals. Sounds great, right? So you guys should definitely go check it out. I will leave the link in the description below. So don't forget to join the Cranberry Tribe and become part of our growing family. All right, guys. So today I am going to take you on an exciting journey as we share the ultimate guide for beginners on how to become a successful virtual assistant. So this is just a sneak peek. I am going to be launching a course soon, so look out for that. But anyway, let's dive in. Before we jump into the steps, let's first understand what a virtual assistant does. A virtual assistant, or a VA, is a skilled professional who provides remote administrative, creative, and technical support to clients. So as a virtual assistant, you have the freedom to work from the comfort of your home. You set your own hours and choose clients and projects that align with your skills and interests. Plus, it's a booming industry with endless opportunities. So if you're ready to take control of your career, I encourage you to keep watching. The key to success as a virtual assistant is to identify your skills and your niche. So take a moment to list down your strengths, whether it's social media management, graphic design, customer service, or data entry. Finding your niche will help you to stand out in the virtual assistant world. So guys, take a moment to evaluate your strengths and your interests. Are you organized? Are you good at multitasking? Or are you skilled in social media management? These qualities could make you a fantastic virtual assistant. So I need you to get your pen and your paper and start jotting down your strengths so you know where you're good at and what you want to do. Decide on the services you want to offer as a VA, whether it's administrative tasks, email management, graphic design, or content creation. Knowing your niche will attract the right clients to you. Once you've identified your skills, so I hope you've written your notes down on paper, it's time to build your brand. Your brand is so important. Create a professional looking resume and a compelling portfolio showcasing your best work. A well-organized portfolio is a fantastic way to showcase your skills, experiences, and testimonials from satisfied clients. Even if you're just starting, you can include samples of projects you've done, or create mock assignments to demonstrate your abilities. So this is very important. Even if you're just starting, based on your work experience in the past, you could include that in your professional online resume. A functional home office is essential for a productive virtual assistant. Find a quiet space with good lighting and invest in a reliable computer, high-speed internet, and any necessary software or tools for your niche. This is very important. Now comes the exciting part. Landing your first clients. Because what is a virtual assistant with no clients? You need to start by networking within your existing circles. Reach out to friends, family, or past colleagues who might need virtual assistants. Building your clientele can start with people who already know and trust you. You can also join freelancing platforms and VA communities where clients are actively seeking assistance. A good place to start looking is Facebook groups, and of course, become a part of Savvyberry Consulting Agency, where we match you to suitable clients. So congratulations, you probably landed your first client. Now it's essential to provide stellar service to retain and gain referrals. Communicate regularly, deliver projects on time, and go above and beyond to exceed expectations. As a virtual assistant, managing your time efficiently is crucial. So consider using productivity techniques, creating to-do lists, and utilizing task management tools to stay organized and focused. This is so important. You have to have a good balance. The virtual assistant industry, guys, is ever evolving. So staying updated with the latest trends and tools is essential. Attend webinars, join Savvyberry Tribe so you can see some webinars. Attend workshops and online courses to enhance your skills and take your virtual assistant career to new heights. So like I said, we are launching our new course soon, so look out for that. Register, you'll get a certificate at the end, and you're well on your way. So there you have it, guys, our ultimate guide on how to get started as a virtual assistant. Remember, with determination, hard work, and a passion for helping others, you can excel in this exciting field. I have created a free ebook on this topic as well. Drop us a comment below if you want access to the ebook, and I will drop the link so that you guys can get access to that. And if you feel like you're ready to take your virtual assistant career to the next level, consider joining Savvyberry Consulting. Visit our website www.savvyberryconsulting.com. We're always on the lookout for talented VAs to add to our team. And if you're interested in working with us or in hiring a VA, again, you can visit our website www.savvyberryconsulting.com and fill out our contact form, or shoot me an email at crandall@savvyberryconsulting.com, and we will be in touch with you shortly. Remember, guys, make sure to like Savvyberry Consulting on Facebook and Instagram, and join the Savvyberry Tribe for all the fantastic free content and support. And if you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel for more valuable content, and don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Guys, please let me know if you are interested in seeing more of this content, and thank you so much for watching, and best of luck on your journey to becoming an incredible virtual assistant. See you in my next video. Bye.